A loudspeaker is a device that converts electrical energy waves into mechanical energy waves and then produce a sound. So friends, in this video I will show you how woofer is made in factory. The most important part in a music system is the woofer, which is made of wood so that it can give a tremendous bass effect. The basic structure of this wooden woofer is made as per the model. It is made from a medium density fiber board. The woofer board is pasted and sent for further assembling. First of all, the speakers are being made on a assembling line. Each speaker of this music system is of 10 watts. Now the speaker is put in a box and tightened with screws. After this, the speaker is placed on the back panels, on which the RC lead is attached. After this processing, the harness cable is inserted in the woofer, from which the printed circuit board or PCB and speaker are connected, and finally they are connected to the circuit. Now a 20-watt speaker is attached in the woofer frame. And after that comes the transformer. Yes, woofer also has a transformer that controls the fluctuation in the electricity. On the other side, a backplate panel is being made. The PCB is also attached to it. Now it is sent to the woofer assembling line. PCB passes the electric signals ahead that increase the power of woofer amplifier and enhance the quality of the bass. After this, the transformer wire is connected to the main electric line for power supply. Now the backplate panel is fixed in the back section of the woofer box. To improve bass, the vent pipe is fixed to the side of the box, so the system catches low frequency clearly. Then the harness is connected to the PCB and the front panel. Now the front section model of the woofer is added, in which the display area, volume and bass control circuit are attached beforehand. After assembling is complete, all woofers have to pass FM, SD, USB and speaker output testers. After these, the volume frequency test of the system is done in the testing room. Here the woofer's bass level, vocals and instrumental levels are checked on a computer. Finally, the woofer is packed with speakers and remote.